You have to detect the cycle, and then you have to return the node from where the cycle is started. Okay, so in this question you just have to return the node from which the cycle is started. Let's suppose there is a 2. From 2 there is a cycle is started, and from 1 there is a cycle started, so you just have to return it. So this is also a simple question. So first you have to create list node slow at head. It will point to the head. Okay, and then again you have to create list node fast, which is also at the head. Okay, which is also at the head. And then you have to bool flag bool just create a flag which is false, starting at the false. Okay, and then traverse through the linked list while fast is not equals to null, and fast का next is not equals to null. You just have to move slow equals to slow का next, slow equals to slow का next, and then fast equals to fast का next. Okay, and then you just have to check whether the fast is equals to slow. If they are equal, then you just have to make the flag equals to true and break this condition. Okay, break this condition. After the while loop, you just have to return if flag is false, means there is a no cycle, so you just have to return null pointer. Okay, means there is a not, and else if there is true, means the flag is true, then you have to create list node start temp equals to head. It is first put it on a head, and then traverse through while temp is not equals to slow. Okay, temp is pointing it toward the head pointer, and you just have to traverse the temp until it is equal to the slow. So just put temp equals to temp का next and slow equals to slow का next. Okay, and after that you just have to return slow. Okay, means from there the cycle is started. Let's run it. Yeah, it is running properly. Let's submit. Yeah, this is submitted. Thank you for watching.